Since the airing of our Peru Splendor video diary series, I've appreciated the emails, conversations, and questions, so I thought I'd create a cheat sheet checklist of tips that will help you enjoy this amazing expedition. Do check in with your physician so that you know before you go. Tell them you'll be zigzagging through jungles, cities, and coastlines in South America, and ask what immunizations or medications they'd suggest. Scan the plan. Keep a digital copy in your smartphone so you'll know what's coming up next and how to prep and pack properly, what to wear, and which parts of the adventure might require a raincoat versus a swimsuit. As we trekked through the tropics where the heat and humidity combined to create what I call the perspiration apocalypse, I quickly learned the real MVP wasn't the hotel bar, it was the hotel laundry service. Being able to wash away the evidence of your adventurous aroma mid-journey, absolute game changer. This isn't a marathon, God forbid, but it's an active tour and does involve a fair bit of walking via streets, stairs, ruins, and rocks. You can stroll, stop, snap pics, and soak up the awe-inspiring views without feeling rushed at all, as everyone there wants to make sure you have the best time possible. So, stretching while you're there and making a habit of taking casual strolls to get those steps in before setting off for this sightseeing spectacular is a great way to warm up for the adventure ahead. For those that know me or have seen me out and about, it's no secret that I'm a staunch supporter of shorts and t-shirts. However, until you hit the Galapagos, long sleeves, long pants, and a wide-brimmed hat are the holy trinity. They'll keep you cool while protecting you from mosquitoes, the tiny blood-sucking sky ninjas found in the rainforest, and about 3/4 of your journey. Mosquitoes see me as a 5-star all-you-can-eat buffet, so off outdoor mosquito spray and wearable citronella bands kept me itch-free the entire time. Cusco and Machu Picchu sit 9,000 to 11,000 feet above sea level. At that height, even climbing a few stairs can make you feel like you've just run a marathon, uphill and backwards. Our guides explain your body adjusts to this over time, and local shops sell portable cans of oxygen. I kept one handy and found a quick hit here and there made a world of difference. Pack smart, pace yourself, and get ready to live a story you'll tell for a lifetime.